Robin, and this is my channel. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do like the content in this video and if you enjoy these types of videos, and tap that bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, as always, thank you. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. There is a $20 styling fee, and I will leave the link below because you can get your first box without a styling fee, and you get a $25 credit. So how great is that? Of course, I get a little, I think I get $25 as well, so always something in it, right? So they put together 5 pieces of clothing that you like. You fill out a profile, and now they've got so many things that you can do. If you buy an article, they will match up all the different outfits for that one article that you bought. So I am having so much fun with that. So let's get into it. Free shipping both ways. So that bag is in there, and if you'd like to gift it, you can send a gift card, which is really nice. I know a lot of people do internet shopping, myself included. Then they include a stylist note and the nasty price sheet. And let's see who my stylist is today. I have Lucy. I think I had Lucy last time. So, hey there, Robin. Thanks for requesting that I style you again. It is fabulous to hear from you, and I hope that everything is going well for you. I see that unfortunately none of the pieces I sent last month were keepers, and I hope that we can better match your personal style this time around. It wasn't really her fault. I'm in between sizes. I'm in between big and bigger. So it's really hard to always get that right fit for me. And I did detail some of the pieces that I want that I've seen on other YouTubers. So I was kind of hoping this would help her out a little bit. So give me some feedback. Until next time, take care. Best wishes, Lucy. So let's see what's in here. There's no shoes or handbags, none of that fun stuff. But there's this bundle. Oh, there is jewelry. And there is another bundle. So Lucy, you hit it out of the park in sending me a bunch of stuff. So let's get in to the first piece. I did ask for some sweaters. It is getting a little bit cooler here in Arizona, so the nights, you know, they get down to between 30 and 50. So I do need some cooler pieces for at night. And the first thing is this beautiful, and this is Artie Style Montoya open cardigan in olive in a large. So I love having cardigans because they're just so easy to throw on. Instead of needing a jacket, I can just throw on a cardigan. I don't know if you can see that it's in olive, but when I do the try on, I will get closer. So that's a real nice piece. Then, oh dear, Kayla, I hope you're watching. There are, I'm assuming, a pull-on pant, but they got this belt here, and they look more like a dress pant with these wide legs. I don't think it's something I would wear because I'm more into casual, but you know, maybe for the holidays. So these are super nice. And this is by Violet and Roses, Lyra belted bootcut pant in a size 8. And again, I'm kind of in between sizes, all this good eating, but it will go great with that cardigan. The next thing is 9 Britain Levy knot front knit top, olive in a large. So I do love this top. It's thin. I like the sleeves. It's a good throw on during the day kind of top, and then you can put a jacket or a cardigan or anything over it. So I do like that. The next thing is this white sweater that I will probably get dirty. Madison Lily Farika multi-textured pullover white. It is a beautiful sweater. It feels very warm. I might have to wear a tank underneath it because it kind of looks see-through. But again, this would go great with the pants that she sent. Oh, I know why I have an extra item. I ordered a pair of pajamas. I saw Miranda with Doing Life for Miranda. She ordered the pajamas and she said she absolutely loves them. So I thought I would give them a try. And then the jewelry. Oops. Okay, here is the necklace. Get it to stop jiggling so you can see it. It is a 3-tiered necklace. I am wearing the necklace. I don't know if you can even see it. This is the necklace I got in my Pop Sugar box. And it's got some colored stones in it, but I know it's hard to see. So this is a good layering necklace. So I will try that on. And then, as I said, I ordered a pair of pajamas. I don't know if any of you have ordered their extras. If you have, let me know below. I know they're kind of pricey. That's kind of why I was holding off, because I think they're like $68 for a pair of pajamas. It's like, really? But this is a little headband. How cute is that? That came with the pajamas, but they are so soft. Oh my gosh. And this is the back. And I know it's hard to believe, but we get a lot of company. We have a lot of friends in Washington and of course Chicago, and we're always inviting them, you know, to come visit us, and they take us up on that offer, which I have no problem with. But you know, when you have guests, you gotta kind of dress for having guests. So these pajamas are just so cute, and I want you to see, can you see the cup of coffee with the heart in there? Oh my God. So that is the top of the pants, and the bottoms, I got them in a size large, so they should fit, but they are so cute. I will try them on and so you can see, but they're definitely a high quality item, and they've got the stripe down the side. So I am enjoying this, and they come in all sorts of colors. So that was everything that I got in my box, and I will be back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first 3 pieces. Just to let you know, the pajamas were a no-go. They were too tight on the top. And I know if I size up, it might fit the top, but then the bottoms will be too big. Totally bummed about the pajamas. And I went to try on the black pants. They were too small. So I am going to have to officially change my size and up my size in pants, or they're just not gonna work. So I am wearing the RD Style Montoya Open Cardigan, the Odisha Layered Natural Stone Necklace, and the 9 Britain Levi Knot Front Knit Top in olive. So This is the cardigan. Try and put you down here. I do love this cardigan, except it's itching like crazy. Like in the arms right here. I know once I take it off, I'm gonna be scratching my arms. But I do love it. I love the fit. I love the color. But I know I'm not gonna reach for it because these arms are just gonna drive me crazy. But this is a beautiful, if I wore long sleeves, it probably wouldn't be so bad, but I would never wear long sleeves with this sweater. But I do like it. Then I've got on the necklace. As I said, this one is the one I got in Pop Sugar, so it's kind of hard to see. And this is that 3-layered necklace. And this is that olive stripe top, and it's got the, and I do love, this is so comfortable. This is like the feel of the pajamas. So this is a definite keeper. And then I have the white sweater to try on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the last top, which is the Madison Lily Farsha multi-textured pullover in off-white. It's a beautiful sweater, but it itches. I love the little, they got the fuzzies on here. It fits nice, but again, my arms are just itching. I will look when I do the recap, the material that these are made out of, just so I can let Lucy know I can't wear these because they just itch. So let me know what you think. Again, I'm gonna have to size up in my clothing. This is a large, so it fit. It's just probably my pants. So let me go change and I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. I just have to say I loved the feel of those pajamas, but I like to wear my pajama tops kind of on the longer side, and these were kind of short as well. So sorry I couldn't model them for you. So let's go over everything. The Violets and Roses boot cut pants, I probably, even if they fit my body, wouldn't have kept them. They were more like a dress slack, something you would wear to work, and that's probably perfect for the holidays. But I'm pretty much in jeans all the time, so I wouldn't have worn those. But they were $58, which I don't think is bad. If I was working again, I probably would have sized up and kept them because they look like they would fit nice. The next thing, the RD style open cardigan. I love that cardigan. I wish I could keep it, but my arms just itched. And, oh, I gotta see what that's made out of. When I put everything below, I will list what that is made out of. And that was $68. The necklace, the Natamo necklace, they call it white, was $38. But let me tell you, when I went to go take it off, I struggled trying to get it off. And I'm not sure, $38, is it a good price? Is it a bad price? I'm just not sure. Then there was the Madison Lily pullover in off-white. It was only $48, but again, it's just that itchy material, so there's probably some type of acrylic in there. And then my favorite was the 9 Britain Levi knot front knit top in olive in a large, and that was $34. So I'm definitely gonna keep that. So give me 1 second. I am gonna get those pieces of clothing to see what they're made out of. I got the white pullover sweater, and I have searched and searched. I do not see what it is made out of or even care instructions for it. I got the tags. Just says made in China. This tag just says what it is, and this doesn't have anything on it either. So I do not know what is in this sweater, but again, it was really, really itchy. And this green cardigan that I absolutely love, I think it's got what it's made out of. It's got 78% acrylic and 22% cotton. So that is probably why this one itches, but I absolutely just love this sweater. I just wish it didn't have, I guess, all that acrylic in there. So that was everything that was in my fix. Lucy did a great job. Again, you can't blame a stylist for when your clothes don't fit. And the pajamas with that cute little eye mask, they were $58. So again, the quality on those pajamas was great. I would have kept them if I didn't have fit issues. So the total of this whole order without the pajamas is $246. If you buy all 5, you take $61.50 off. So I don't know, like 180 something, which is not bad. Then you add the pajamas and the order subtotal is $242.50. I do have some credits, so thank you for those that have used my link. And again, there's no shipping charge. So I think out of this whole box, I'm gonna keep that green t-shirt. I just love that one. And that one was the $34. It's still a little pricey for a shirt, but I loved it. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me comments. Lucy, thank you so much for styling me. And you guys have an awesome day.